Yo, what's up everyone, it's your boy Deepak Rajgiri back again with another tech update straight from Dubai. And yes, it's official, iOS 26 beta is here. In this video, I'll tell you everything you need to know, new features, supported iPhones, how to install, and whether you should install it right now or wait. So let's get started. Apple officially announced iOS 26 during WWDC 2025, and right after that, they released the developer beta 1. If you're part of the Apple developer program, you can install it now, even with a free developer account. The public beta will be released in July 2025, and the final stable version will arrive this September, alongside the iPhone 17 launch. Now let's talk about what's new in iOS 26. Number 1, a new adaptive power mode that reduces performance slightly to save more battery. Number 2, a completely redesigned control center, more customizable and smarter. Number 3, Siri just got an upgrade, it's more compact, faster, and even works offline more effectively. Number 4, AI-generated photo albums and smart memories, your iPhone now curates better content automatically. Number 5, you can now lock individual apps like Photos, WhatsApp, or Notes using Face ID, no more third-party apps needed. Number 6, in iMessage, you can now edit your messages up to 15 minutes after sending them, super useful. Plus, iOS 26 brings smoother animations, faster multitasking, and better privacy settings. But wait, not all iPhones support iOS 26. Here's the list of supported models. iPhone 15 series, iPhone 14 series, iPhone 13, 12, and 11 series, plus the iPhone SE second and third generation. If you have an iPhone 10, XR, or earlier, sorry, iOS 26 is not available for your device. Now the question is, should you install the beta? If you're a developer, or you've got a secondary phone, go ahead and try it. But if this is your main phone, I suggest you wait for the public beta in July or the stable version in September. Early betas often come with bugs, battery issues, and app crashes, so be careful. And if you still want to try it now, here's how you do it. Go to developer.apple.com and sign in with your Apple ID. Enroll your iPhone. Then go to Settings, General Software Update and download the beta. But remember, always back up your phone before installing any beta version. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment below, are you installing iOS 26 now or waiting for the stable version? Thanks for watching, this is Deepak Rajgiri, see you in the next one.